Okay, as you can see, I have my picture cut out. I'm also not looking at, okay, I have the picture cut out. I want to mount it to paper, but you have to use the ruler. You have to use the pencil that I can't find now. Oh my goodness, are you kidding me? Yep, there it is. You have to use a pencil, okay? You want to use glue stick. You want to glue your picture down on the paper, but you want to make sure it is straight. Otherwise, you have to do more measuring. So I'm going to, I'll just put it up here. I'm going to glue my picture right here. You can use whatever color paper you want. But make sure the color doesn't, make sure there's no designs that would take away from the picture. So I'm going to get my ruler now, and I'm going to see. I can already tell this is not the same distance. So I will carefully peel it off. Oh my goodness. I'll carefully peel it off, and I'll stick it a little further away from the edge of the paper. All right, I did that before I could dry too much. So I'm going to use the ruler, and I'm going to look to see. Okay, so it doesn't really make sense for this part of the ruler, but up here I can see it is 1 millimeter from the edge of the picture. Okay, so I'm looking at, okay, 1 millimeter from the edge of the picture to the edge of the paper. It doesn't matter where you stick the picture on the paper, but please don't waste the paper. Make sure it's going correctly. And as you can see here, it is 1 millimeter from the edge of the paper to the edge of the picture to the edge of the paper. Now, I'm going to have to make sure this side and this side is also 1 millimeter. So it's kind of hard to tell because I have it laying down. So let me lift it up a little bit just for you to see. Of course, you'll do this on your desktop or your tabletop. It'll be a lot easier. Keep it flat. Keep it flat. But I know that it is 1 millimeter. So this is 29, and I need to mark it at 30. And so I'm going to do that for a few more lines. And then I will use the ruler to connect those lines. And then, there goes a glue stick. Goodness gracious. And so I'll use the millimeter measurement all the way around, because I want my stuff to be as good as possible. So I'll put it on the 29, that'd be easier. Then I'm just looking at the 30. So now I draw really quick, really light. You don't have to draw it thick. Oh my goodness, please don't press. That's what I'm trying to say. Don't press your pencil. Okay, so then it should look like this. And then you would cut it with the scissors right on that line. Don't be, oh my goodness, please cut it right on the line, because it will make a huge difference in the end. And you don't have to have it be 1 millimeter thick or wide. You can make it a little less. You just have to make sure this is the same all the way around, so it's even. See how even that looks? Thank you.